Amidst the chirping birds, a little girl stumbles upon a tiny, quivering kitten hidden in the bushes near her home. With a decisive nod, she sets off on a mission to help the lost kitten find its way back home. The road ahead is filled with twists and turns, testing Lily's determination and kind heart. Help from unexpected quarters fuels Lily's resolve as she navigates through the bustling village, the kitten's soft purring encouraging her onward. Doors open with warm smiles, offering clues and guidance, leading Lily closer to reuniting the lost kitten with its family. Just when it seems all hope is fading, a twist of fate unravels, revealing the path to the kitten's true home. Intrigue fills the air as an unexpected visitor adds a new dimension to Lily's quest, sparking curiosity and wonder. Emotions run high as Lily witnesses the heartwarming moment of the lost kitten finding its way back home, a testament to compassion and unity. Tears of joy mix with laughter as the community comes together, sharing in the triumph of empathy and companionship, a bond that will endure beyond this day.